Hello everyone. Welcome to Educate India. Today we are going to see what is parallel processing. Let's assume for one man it takes 1 day to paint a house. So for one man, it will take 10 days to paint 10 houses. If we continuously increase the number of houses to paint, then time required to paint them will also increase. But we can reduce the time to paint the house if we increase the number of people painting the house. So if we have the same number of people as the number of houses and each person takes 1 day to paint one house, all the houses will be painted in 1 day. Each person will simultaneously paint the house and therefore the time required will be reduced. Same thing we do in parallel processing. We divide a big task into a small number of tasks and process part of them simultaneously. Generally, we have more than one processor in a system, and a single thread can occupy one processor at a time. So using parallel processing we can fully utilize the system resources. Well, because of this it is very important how you break down big tasks and small tasks. If your program is not slow because of the processor but other resources like RAM or input-output, it might not help you to break it into parallel. Scientific simulation, weather forecasting, financial modeling, and machine learning are some of the places where parallel processing is used. Python has many ways to perform parallel processing. We will be using the multiprocessing library. First, we import time and multiprocessing. Then we create one function which will be performed by each thread. In this case, we have calculate_square. It takes a list of numbers and prints the square of those numbers one by one. Then we create a list of numbers from 1 to 10. Next, we create a pool of 4, which means there will be maxed 4 processes running at a time. Then we create numbers list into 4 parts and pass them into the calculate_square method using the pool map method. Lastly, we close and pool and wait for the process to finish. After everything ends we print all processes completed to know all the processes are done processing. We can see first it prints the current process name on the screen. Then it prints the square of numbers from the list. It should be noted that the list is not in sequence. This is because there are 4 processes running and whatever number is finished early it prints that. After all the processes are done it prints all processes completed. Let's walk through the complete code once again. First, we import time and multiprocessing. Then we create calculate_square in which we first print the current underscore process name. After that take sleep for half a second and loop through the numbers and print the square of each number. Then create a list of 1 to 10. Next, we create a pool of 4 processes. After that, we divide the numbers list into 4 chunks and pass each chunk to a different process. Lastly, close the pool and wait for the worker processes to exit. In this video, we see what is parallel processing and wrote a simple program. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to support us. If you have any other topic on which you want us to make a video or any other suggestion, please comment.